right, team. Let's secure the perimeter and get the generators running. Copy that. Setting up the equipment now. Be careful. The structure is unstable.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Thank you so much.
The damage here is extensive. Focus on securing the wing first. Copy that. Starting now. All right, bring that crate over here. Watch your footing.
Got it, boss.
Let's get these toolboxes lined up. Get those thick vines around the engine.
Roger that, boss.
Keep clearing the base of the fuselage. We need to see the landing gear. Keep pushing it, easy. Okay, it's heavy. Watch your step here.
The strut looks stable, but we need to reinforce this section.
Copy that. We'll get the exterior scaffolding in place now. Secure the bracket on the left, check the level. I've got it, moving the pole now. Watch your step on the crossbar. Attach the next section to the fuselage. Keep cleaning that turbine. Right away. Move to the other side now.
Keep it steady there, we're making progress. Copy that, focusing on the rivet line. Watch the sparks, they're flying high.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Clearance looks good, slow and easy. We need more sealant over here.
Keep it even on the struts. That's it, moving left. Looks good, cover that corner. Hold it steady. Aligning now. Get the rivet gun on the edge. Looks good, let's start fastening. Secure it down. Set it down. Watch the clearance. Engage the lift. Alignment looks good. Secure that section. Move the trolley over here. Okay, carefully down to the lift. Got it, watch the edges. Crane, bring it in, slow and steady. Keep rotating slowly. Almost there. Perfect. Looking good up here. Looks perfect. Let's keep it steady. Almost done here.
Keep it steady. Guide it slowly. Almost there. Mind the edges.
Almost there. Careful with the glass. Lights are on. Keep it steady. Looking good. Another panel is ready. Tighten that bolt. Perfect. All right, easy does it. Careful with the glass. Looks aligned. Secure it now. It's in. Good job, everyone. Line it up there. Almost got it. Pass me the drill. Almost done here. Connect the main line. Roger. Securing the railing lights. Power on the terrace and stairs now. Beautiful. Let's finish up. Keep it steady. Watch the cables. All right, lowering the panel now. Looks good. Let's connect the water. Keep it steady there. A little more concrete on the left. Let's check the level one last time.
The last tile is secure.
Excellent. The fitting is perfect.
We're ready for the final touches.
Keep it slow and steady. Just a little more to the left. Okay, got it. Lower it down slowly. Perfect. We're clear. Line it up, guys. Gently. Watch the corner. Almost set in stone. Nice work. Ready to plumb. Electrics are good. Looks perfect. Beautiful view, huh?
The platform is perfectly leveled. We're securing the bedside table now. Check the lighting alignment on the curved wall. Ensure the stone panel is perfectly aligned.
Check the level on the glass. Just a little higher.
Plumbing looks secure.
All right, these panels are secure. Pass me that cable. Looks good. Let's fire it up. Line it up perfectly. Needs to be flush with the wall. Grab that level. Almost there. Nice work. Looks great. That light is perfect. We're almost done here. The finish looks smooth here. We've just got the tail section left. All right, let's keep it steady.
Powering up the new lighting system.
Sequence initiated.
Lights are turning on.
Keep working on the tail section. Done. Great, let's test these lights. Beautiful, they look great. Keep it steady, don't scratch the wing. Got it, watch that root. Needs a bit more gravel here. Almost done with these roses. Keep it level, watch the edge.
Yeah, yes.
Take it slowly up the stairs.
There.
Almost there.
There.
Set the table by the glass. All right, let's get this one in.
Watch your grip.
Watch your grip. Perfect. Looking good. Be careful with that pipe. Check the pressure gauge. Looks good so far, we're almost done. Make sure the wiring is concealed perfectly. Understood. Looking good.
Keep wiping those windows. We need this aircraft to shine.
All right, let's get this tail sparkling.
Check the water pressure on the hoses.
The lights are activating section by section. Looks incredible against the forest.
The system is online.
Check the pumps and the lighting array.
All clear. The mansion is fully lit.
The cabin pressure is optimal.
Amazing.
Truly breathtaking.
We did it. It's perfect. Couldn't have done it without everyone. To the forest mansion.